Hey everyone, in this video we will see Greenworks battery charger light indicators, what each light means and how to fix it. Solid red light, charging normally. A solid red light means the battery is charging correctly. What to do? Leave the battery in the charger until charging is complete. Do not remove the battery during charging unless unnecessary. Solid green light, battery fully charged. A solid green light indicates the battery is fully charged and ready to use. What to do? Remove the battery from the charger. Store it in a cool, dry place if you won't be using the right way. Blinking red light, charging error. A blinking red light usually means the charger has detected a problem with the battery. Problem causes battery is too hot or cold, dirty or loose battery contact. Battery is not fully seated in the charger, deeply discharged battery, faulty battery or charger. Blinking green light. Charging nearly complete. On some Greenworks charger, a blinking green light indicates the battery is in the final stage of charging. What to do? Allow the charging cycle to finish. Wait until the light turns solid green before removing the battery. Thanks for watching.